Hey everyone, and welcome to the Handmade channel. In this video, I'm going to break this Tesla Roadster that I made from plasticine. Let's do the crash test of this car. Yeah, right. It's the same Tesla of Elon Musk who's actually surfing the vastness of space now. The car is in serviceable condition, so it works. It can roll easily, but it's important that the wheels do not fall off during the crash test. There's a crash test dummy in the car, which is dressed in a SpaceX suit. It's his small copy. It's also fastened with seat belts, so it won't fall out of the car upon impact. The car turned out to be quite sturdy. In order to create such shapes of the car body, I took more plasticine. Since it's plasticine, it'll get bent away. So let's get down to the crash test itself. And this is how I'm going to break this Tesla. I glued a thread to the car where it's threaded through, a big plasticine block. And then the Tesla will crash into this block. This plasticine block is quite firmly glued to the floor, and the thread itself is attached to the remote control car. This car will go and speed up the Tesla right into the block. This way we'll get an imitation of the crash test. Alright, let's get started. As I thought, the collision has turned out to be weak. The thread has come off. So look what we've got. The bumper just got bent a little, barely visible damage. Alright, we're gonna try again. Well, nothing. The Tesla hasn't been damaged as if it had been parked. Yes, the bumper is intact. Then I'll try to speed up the Tesla by hand. It should turn out to be more interesting. I've sped it up way more than the infinity, but the Tesla isn't giving in, as if it were armored. Again, there's almost no damage. The bumper's been slightly bent, it got flat a little. Well, we'll try again, but a bit stronger. Finally, it slightly looks as if it's been damaged. This time, I've sped up way stronger. The front part has got bent, and the fender and the hood have also been touched. Kind of sad. Unfortunate, Tesla. Well, this way you can all see the damage. The front wheel is jammed, and now the Tesla won't be able to go. The hood has been bent, the bumper has been bent too. That's how I initially wanted to have it happen. I wanted the front of the car to be bent. Somehow, I've overdone speed. The front part has gone up a lot. It got bent even more. It got a few dents. The cabin is completely fine, but the hood has got bent even more. It turned out to be quite exciting. Now I'm gonna bump into the side of the car. Here, the driver's door has been slightly shifted. It went inside a little, and there is no serious damage. I've crashed into the Tesla 3 times. Now the door is bent much more, and the third impact has occurred on the front wheel. At the same time, it clamped and it can no longer spin. Only the rear wheels can rotate. Well, this kind of damage I got, now we'll put it at an angle and hit the rear bumper. there's been a set of 3 collisions again. The damage has already increased, but the Tesla is still holding on. It came out to be really sturdy. There's a small dent on the rear bumper. Well, these are the main things. So now it's more visible that the rear bumper has got more bent, but still, it's quite slight damage. The rear wheel is now jammed as well. You can see that the crash test dummy looks like a being cramped in the cabin. The front part has already been damaged more. You can even see that the plasticine has come apart at the seam. And finally, let's drop it on this plasticine block from about a height of 2 meters. It was epic. It fell as I wanted it to fall, and since it's made from plasticine, the car stuck to the block, and it turned out to be pretty funny. The car is gradually leaning down and falls like the Leaning Tower of Pisa. The plasticine straps didn't manage to hold the dummy, although I glued it quite strongly. The front has already got flat, so the Tesla has come to an end. Hard landing has tangentially touched the rear window. Well, let's see what happened here. I think I should take out the dummy. Now, the Tesla is completely broken. I've done such a series of crash tests on it. It turned out to be very epic, I think. It's where the impact has occurred. The glass has already fallen off along with the roof element, and that's how I think I managed to break it. I decided to crush this Tesla as if it were under pressure. It'll be slowly crushed against this plasticine block. Well, let's start to gradually crumple it. It looks quite interesting how all of the plasticine is crumpling. Alright, scrap this car. Now it looks like a pancake. I hope you enjoyed watching this demonstration of this handmade plasticine car. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I have a lot of videos like this, and the quality of the cars will keep getting better. Bye everyone.